Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to record yourself on Loom. If you want to quickly record your screen, share tutorials, or send video explanations to your team, Loom is one of the easiest tools you can use. It allows you to record your screen, your webcam, or both at the same time and instantly generate a shareable video link. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store, which you can locate by clicking on Google Apps on the top right corner. Then search for the Loom extension and install it from Loom. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm the installation. Once the extension is installed, you'll see the Loom icon appear in your browser toolbar. This icon allows you to quickly start recordings anytime you need. Next, click the Loom extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. The extension will prompt you to log into your Loom account. Once logged in, the extension will be ready to start recording. A small recording panel will appear. This panel lets you configure how you want your video to be recorded. You'll see several recording options available. To record yourself, make sure your camera option is turned on. The extension will detect your webcam and show a small preview bubble. Also confirm that your microphone is selected, so your voice will be recorded during the video. If needed, you can choose a different microphone or camera from the device drop-down menu. Next, choose the type of recording. The extension typically allows you to record your current browser tab, a specific window, your entire screen. Select the option that best fits what you want to demonstrate. Once everything is configured, click Share. Loom will display a short countdown before the recording begins. After the countdown finishes, the recording will start automatically. You'll see a small floating camera bubble on your screen showing your webcam. You can drag this bubble to any corner so it doesn't block important content. When you're finished, click the Stop Recording button in the Loom control panel. The extension will automatically upload the video to your account. Within a few seconds, your recording will open in a new tab. Once the recording finishes processing, Loom automatically generates a shareable video link. You can copy this link and send it to others through email, Slack, messaging apps, project management tools. Anyone with the link will be able to watch the video instantly. And that's how to record yourself using the Loom Chrome extension. By installing the extension, enabling your camera and microphone, and starting a screen recording directly from your browser, you can quickly create videos to explain ideas, demonstrate tools, or communicate more clearly with others. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.